welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved my cute little puff. So if you want to see how I did my puff, stay tuned. Go in with the on jackies. Focus. Just gonna like that. So I'm just going to take my wide toothbrush and comb it through. It says to keep in for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse out. So I'll be back when it's time to rinse out. Okay, you guys, so I just rinsed out the conditioner. My hair is showing white on camera, but it's really not. So I'm just going to comb it down. Oh, that is super soft. I'm not sure why Aunt Jackie don't have a leave-in conditioner for the grapeseed line. But I'm gonna go in with some. Yeah, I'm sorry you can hear that noise in the background. I don't know what is going on. Everywhere I decide to record is super noisy. And this was the quietest spot. So I'm going to go with the Main Choice leave-in conditioner. Lord, what is going on? Gotta take the top off. So I'm going to take about that much. And I'm just going to put some really chunky twist in my hair because I want to do a hot puff tomorrow. So that's what we're gonna do. My hair feels so soft. Go back in with a little more. Yeah, I'm down to the nitty-gritty. And then put some in the back. Make sure you open the sides. Get in there good. Then you're gonna do the same thing for this side. Make sure you rub it in really good. And then comb through. This was showing really, really white. I'm not sure why, but we're gonna keep going. Section it off. One more clip, I'll be ready. So now I'm just gonna separate the back. I got the leave-in conditioner in. Now I'm gonna go in with some of the oil that I made for my hair. And put a little bit on my hands. Smooth it out through my hair. Take the comb one more time. And then just twist. So I'm going to show you guys one more and then I'll be back when everything is done. Some more oil. Pour it in my hand. Like that. Put it in my hair. Especially on my ends, because they are the driest. Take my comb through it, and then do a chunky twist. And then twist it around my finger, like that. So that's how it's gonna look. And I'll be back when I finish the whole entire head. What's up, everybody? It's me, Rose, and it is the next day, and this is how my twists have turned out. Nothing too special, nothing too crazy, but some basic twists. So I'm going to do a hot puff. So I have my headband, I have some oil. I'm going to use the She Is Bomb Edge Control. got a hard bristle brush, and I gotta get my pick. So all I'm gonna do is put a little bit of oil on my hands, like that, and then start to take out my twist, like that. I think I'm gonna separate. Ooh, look how the twist, it came out defined. I like that. I think I'm gonna untwist each one again. And it doesn't have to be perfect because, like I said, we are just doing a simple puff. So I'm going to do the rest, and then I'm going to come back to show you what it looked like before I start to brush it up into the ponytail. So I'll be right back. You guys, look at this one. So defined. Look at that. Love it. But look at that. I'll be back. So this is how my hair look after I've taken all my twists out. They are soft and fluffy and defined. So cute. Y'all, and I forgot one. So all I'm going to do is take some of my She Is Bomb edge control and put it on my edges. And for the back, then just want to smooth it in like that. Add a little more. Take my brush, brush it to the back. I need a little bit more. And then brush up the back. Then take my headband, make sure you pull up all the hair. Like that. Yo, this headband fit kind of tight today. And I'm just gonna slide it up. Like that. And then I'm gonna take my pick and just pick out the roots a little bit. Every time I get to this part, I get carried away. And it only be lasting me like 2 days. But y'all, I'm going to get better. I promise. We going to get better. So one thing I like about my high puff is that it's not so uniform. So some can look good, some be sticking out like that. Like these pieces right here. Just gotta go in and open them if they stick out too much. You be looking crazy in these streets. But as the day go on, especially with this rainy weather, I doubt if it lasts me any longer than today and tomorrow. But we gonna see. We gonna see. So I'm just gonna pick it out a little bit more. And then once I get it to my liking, I'm gonna show you guys when I come right back. But so far, so good. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I think I overpicked it as usual, but this is how it looks. The front, the side, the back, the side, and back to the front. Oh, y'all, this is so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you like it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and all that good jazz. So until my next video, guys, peace. I'm late for work. Bye, guys.